In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Instagram Insights data with Supermetrics. By the end, you'll have your Instagram Insights connection set up and ready to use across your favorite reporting tools. First, open the Supermetrics hub and sign in. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow your usual login flow. Before you continue, make sure you have the right access. You'll need permission to log in to Facebook with a profile that can manage the Instagram business accounts you want to report on. Personal Instagram profiles won't work here. The accounts must be business or creator and connected to a Facebook page. Inside the hub, go to the Data Sources section and find Instagram Insights. Supermetrics offers multiple meta-related connectors, so be sure to select Instagram Insights, not Instagram Ads or Facebook Insights, so you get the organic analytics you're expecting. Click Connect. You'll be prompted to choose whether the connection is shared or private. A shared connection is ideal for teams, letting colleagues use the same authenticated connection without reauthorizing. A private connection is just for you. If you're unsure, think about who will build or refresh reports. If multiple teammates will, choose shared. If it's only you, private keeps it simple. You can also give the connection a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Next, authenticate with Facebook. You'll see the standard Facebook login and permission screens. Confirm the login, then select the Instagram business accounts you want Supermetrics to access. If you manage many accounts, you can allow access to all eligible accounts to avoid repeating this step later. When the permissions list appears, review and approve everything requested. Supermetrics needs these to read metrics like reach, impressions, profile activity, and content performance. If you don't see an account in the list, double-check that it's a business or creator account and properly linked to a Facebook page you manage. Once the authentication is complete, your Instagram Insights data source is ready and available wherever Supermetrics connects. That means in Google Sheets, Excel, Looker Studio, BigQuery, and other supported destinations, you'll be able to pick Instagram Insights as the source and start pulling metrics, dimensions, and date ranges right away. As a quick best practice, run a small test query in your chosen destination with a short date window to confirm everything is working. If you get empty results, revisit your Facebook permissions and account selections. That's it. You've connected Instagram Insights in Supermetrics and are ready to build reliable, shareable reports.